Welcome. In front of me is a TCL TAB 10L, and today I'll show you how you can insert SD card into this tablet. So to get started, all you need to do is pop off the little cover that is located right here. So we're on the same side that you have your charging port. You'll see this little flap right here. Just lift it up, as you just seen, like this, and it should come out. Now it is kept by like some plastic, so it shouldn't fall off completely. But on here you have just space for the SD card, so place it in here, slide it in. Now it will have a little bit of resistance, as you can see, where it's pushing out. Now push it in all the way, you will hear a click, and it will stay in a bit of a like deeper position. So anyway, from here just closes back up, and the card should already be working. So there it is. It's already detecting the SD card, and that's basically all you need to do. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.